Hey everyone, it's Patrick from Crumple Pop, and today I'm going to show you how to reverse video in Premiere Pro. So I have a clip on my timeline that I'd like to reverse, and luckily Premiere makes that really easy to do. So first, you just want to right click on your clip and scroll down to Speed Duration. Then a menu will appear where you can adjust the speed, so you can go slow-mo or speed your clip up. You can reverse speed, which is what we're going to be doing. You can maintain audio pitch. This will try to get your sound to stay as close to the same as it was originally recorded, despite changes in speed. Obviously, if you go to like 500%, it's going to sound weird, but it's going to try to keep the audio sounding like it does originally. You can choose to ripple edit, which will make sure it gets rid of any gaps that are created if you make your clip shorter or longer. Then you have some time interpolation tools. You have frame sampling. This will create or delete frames, depending on if you make your clip longer or shorter. Frame blending keeps your motion looking fluid in duplicate frames. And then optical flow will add more frames. This is great for slow-mo. We're just going to keep frame sampling for now. We've got reverse clip selected, hit OK, and then this should reverse our clip. Great. And so that's how you reverse clips in Premiere Pro.